He's out there giving these speeches where he
Right.
continues to talk about Hannibal Lecter. He's saying
Right.
that Vice President Kamala Harris turned black, and he's like really leaning in to that message. This is a meltdown. Did you predict it would be this bad?
So that's the MAGA racist movement. And so Trump is now tapping into that because he's going to blow every racist dog whistle possible. And so Trump wanted his followers to know that his crowds are bigger than hers. Her crowds are bigger than his. The other thing he's worried about is his messaging sucks right now. And so he can't find the right word salad to address her. So, but he can't actually do that. So he calls her dumb. So that to me is a huge sign of racism because she's a very accomplished person.